There's always a way. Let's get the rest of this pipe down. Okay, so I've got the pipe down. I'm going to leave that bit of pipe there. It seems to be in good condition, and it's also a nice place for me to slot the new pipe into with the adapter that I've been given. Never was my intention to replace this bit on the ground. The objective was always this stuff above us, which is clearly leaking. This is okay, and it's within a level that can be maintained just on some steps if needs be. If the customer flags it, then I can change this at a later date, but I really don't see it being an issue. Also, it gives me an extra 2 meters. I'm a little bit concerned that I haven't got enough pipe. I know that I have, but again, there's always that little doubt in my mind.